Next, new for 2019, SOLIDWORKS CAM introduces some new functionality that can dramatically reduce the time to create CNC programs that have close tolerance values or surface finish requirements. Using tolerance-based machining, SOLIDWORKS CAM can make use of dimension expert dimensions or MBD model-based definition information that's been added to the SOLIDWORKS model. SOLIDWORKS CAM can automatically apply the preferred machining strategies to the part based on the tolerance scheme. We can see that both the OD feature and groove rectangular feature are cut using a rough finish type of operation. However, if we modify this to be bilateral, with the upper bound being 0, making them an undersized feature, this will automatically modify the machining strategy. So if we rerun tolerance-based machining and take a look at the output, we'll see that the operations have changed. Based on the new geometric tolerances, we now have 2 finishing operations for each of these features. Next, all we have to do is select those features and we can regenerate the operation plan. Taking a look now, we'll move the cutoff operation to the end. We'll select all the blue highlighted features and we'll generate toolpaths for those operations. So with just a few clicks, modifying these dimensions allowed us to just simply go back and regenerate everything that we had done with those new tolerance values. Now SOLIDWORKS CAM has all the information it needs to ensure that our final parts match any geometric tolerance values that we need.